Let's learn Strike That Match. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Strike That Match. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to hold. You're now going to weave, crossing your left behind your right. Step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. You're now going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, cross your right behind your left, and step your left foot to the left side. Let's try that with some counts, stepping to the side. 1, hold, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, you're going to cross your right over your left, and you're going to hold. You're now going to do 2 quarter turning heel bounces. So we're going to come up on the balls of both feet as we lift our heels up. You're going to go quarter turn over your left shoulder and recover back down onto both feet. You're now going to repeat that, coming up on the balls of both feet, lifting your heels up, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do 2 back steps. We're going to step back with our left and touch our right next to our left. You're going to step back with your right and touch your left next to your right. And on those back touches, if you would like to add a little bit of a body roll, you can kind of roll, touch, if you would like to add some extra in. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're crossing your right over. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, you're going to rock back with your left foot, recover onto your right, and then we're going to do a left shuffle forward, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. We're now going to do a right rocking chair. You're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right, recover forward onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our back touch. You're rocking back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in the final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turning with a cross. So we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to step back with your left foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side and slightly forward, and then you're going to cross your left over your right. We're now going to do side touches. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. On those side touches, if you would like to kind of add some hips in and make it a little bit different, you can either do dip and touches, you could do roll and touches, you could do a body roll and touch. It's kind of yours to play with. Add some extra stuff into that part. All right, let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your jazz box quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping your right foot to the side. Side, hold, behind, side, cross, side, rock, recover, behind, side, cross. Hold, quarter bounce, left back touch, right back touch. Left rock back, recover, left shuffle forward, right rocking chair. Jazz box quarter turn with a cross. Now your side touches, step right, touch left, left touch right. And you'll be facing 9 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping your right foot to the side. 1, hold, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's everything. Now let's talk about the ending. The dance is going to end facing 9 o'clock. All you're going to do is make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. If you would like to end facing the front, it does have a good couple extra counts at the very end of the song and has a very heavy beat where when you step a quarter turn forward, you'll be hitting that in the song. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping your right foot to the side. Side, hold, weave, behind, side, cross, side, rock, recover, behind, side, cross. Hold, quarter bounce, left back touch, right back touch. Left rock back, recover, left shuffle forward, right rocking chair. Jazz box quarter turn with a cross side touches, right touch left, left touch right, start over, 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, hold, weave, behind side, cross side, rock, recover, behind side, cross, hold, quarter bounce, left back touch, right back touch. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward, rocking chair. Jazz box quarter turn with a cross side touches, right touch left, left touch right, 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo and practice as much as you would like so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Strike That Match. If you have any questions, let me know.
Girl, when you call it quits, you could have done it right. You could have let the sound out of it when you said goodbye. You ruined everything.